In front of me is XIAOMI 17 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and tap on More Connectivity options over here. Now select Printing. Click on System Printing Service, XIAOMI Home, or any other service you have and wanna use. Don't worry, they all turn on the same way. And make sure this switcher is blue. Now wait, because your device is searching for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it right away, just like in my case. If you have some connection problems though, enable print service and wait for this icon to appear at the bottom. Click on it, tap on Add Printer and use one of those options. If your printer supports Wi-Fi direct printing, click on gray switcher here, tap on Allow, and click on Find Wi-Fi Direct Printers. Then let your XIAOMI find yours. You can also choose Add Printer by IP address, import it here and connect manually by selecting Add. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!